Okay, so we got our delivery from Diamond Art Club. So we have 2 kits. This is going to be the first unboxing. Is right here. So this is Willow by Lynn. We're very excited about this one. It seems like it's got a lot of cool colors, and it's a square, which you can see both is under the painting. It's a square 42 by 59 centimeter. Also, the icon is in square, so that tells you it's a square diamond kit. So we're gonna go ahead and open this. All right, so in our box we have our kits, and of course we also have our toolkit and our sticker legend and a little sticker right here. So if you'd like to put that on your kit or on your box if you're storing it for later, it's a nice little sticker which tells you the image, the name, the square, and the size. And then we have our legend here. So this one has 40 colors, and as you can see, we have 136 and 138 are our 2 ABs. So we'll take a look at the kit. It looks like it's V and 7 in the kit, or in the canvas. Again, it's Willow by Lynn, square diamonds, 42 by 59 centimeter. So we'll take a look at the toolkit. Yeah, you can look that big. So in our diamond painting toolkit, we have some baggies.
We have some beautiful colors here.
Yeah, they are beautiful, definitely. They're not quite as nice baggies as we got in the Star Wars kits, but and there's not quite as many of them, it looks like, maybe.
There's 2 wax.
Yes, there are 2 wax. Can we show the video, baby, on the wax? We have 2 pink heart-shaped wax. We have a blue metal tip with a blue squishy. And we have a...
These tweezers are so big.
4
and
placer.
These are really sharp.
We also have a...
these are very, very sharp.
Oh yeah, those are sharp, so let's not play with those, honey, okay? Do they have a top? Can I put the top on? Thank you. So we have a clear tray with a funnel. Again, this would probably be good for like Tic Tac containers. It's a little smaller than the white tray that comes with the Star Wars kit though. And then we have sharp, as Jacqueline pointed out. Sharp tweezers. So the Star Wars kit came with rounded tweezers. These ones are sharp tweezers. Again, these are a nice weight. They're not branded at all. This one looks like it might have just a little bit of a defect at the tip actually here. Just a little point extra, like point to the side there. Anyways, have a top. Keep them safe, keep them away from little hands. And that is our kit. It doesn't look like we have a larger placer. It looks like the 4 placer is the largest one. Okay, thank you, baby girl. So we will put these all. Okay, so here we have our canvas and our beads. So we'll take a look at the canvas. We also have a little step-by-step instruction. And thank you, and a 10% off code. She looks very beautiful and a lot of color. So it was, I believe, the V's and the 7s that had the ABs. We'll just take a good look and then we'll look for those ABs. So this canvas feels similar in texture. It's like velvety on the back. Hold on, baby girl. It's like velvety on the back. We gotta wait on this one, honey. Just wait 1 second. You're doing too much controlling. And it's got that full plastic cover. It does feel a little bit heavier though. Board glue. And then the top they have their logo and branding. And then take a closer look at these symbols. Look very, very clear. You can see some of those 7s and B's in the eye. Let's see if you can see where they are. Otherwise, so it looks like there's some 7s here around this dragonfly. And then we've got some V's in here, a lot of V's, and some 7s in her wings, a lot of V's in her wings. Some here on her flower, on her chest, and some 7s down here on her outfit. I think that's the majority of them. There's some more V's up here on her hair. So quite a few places with the AVs. Okay, thank you, babe. And we can take a little bit closer look here at the keys. Focus. So again, Willow 42 by 59 with 40 colors with 2 AVs, both shades of blue it looks like. And then we will go ahead and get to the beads here. All right, so here we have our beads. I'm just gonna unpackage them here. I'm gonna try to do a better job this time than I did on my last one. We got quite a few here.
There's a lot of silly ones.
Oh yeah, okay, so it looks like these are all the same. So we'll start here. So these are 310, they're black. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. And we've got 699, which is green. And we've got 754, which is a peach. Another 754. 758. 728, which is a nice deep yellow, deep bright yellow. Hey, Chef, I'm gonna need you to be quiet for just a minute, okay? While we're going through these. 700 is a green. 890 is a little bit darker green. 603 is a light pink. 3818, another green. 3371, dark brown. 938, a little bit lighter brown. Like neon green. 907. 136. Ooh, that's an AB. You can see. So AB stands for Aurora Borealis. The ABs have a special coating on them, which gives them this really cool rainbow effect. Oh, we got our second AB. Oh, I was wrong. I thought they were both gonna be blue. Okay, so we've got our second AB here is a cool green AB. Make sure we're getting a good look here at these ones. So we've got 1 blue AB and 1 green AB, which is 134. Back to our regular diamonds is 3814 is like a teal. 321 is a red. 3778 is a peach. 3843 is a blue. I know there's 5 packets of the black. 898 is a brown. And we have a light pink is 604. Okay, now the last set we have here is 3846 is a blue. 138. Oh, so they must be 3 ABs. Unless this is the same. Let's see, no, 136, 134, 138. Why did I only see 3 on here? Oh, look at that. There is another one. It hid from me. It was the very first one. So numbered, the symbol 1 is also, we'll go back and see where that is on the canvas here. But 138, another AB blue, lighter blue. Then we have a brownie yellow, 738. 798 is a bluish purple. 823, gray black, 550, purple, 3770, which is like a light peachy flesh color, 947, it's bright orange, 601, hot pink, 718, another hot shade of hot pink, 208, another purple, 918, green, 917, another green, 333, purple, 666, a really bright orangey red, 647, this light earthy light green, and another shade of brown, 433, 356, another peachy orange, 155, another purple, and 301, another shade of an orangish brown. So those are all the Bs. Let's go back and look again at the canvas, see where these other ABs are that we didn't realize we had. So those were the number 1. So let's see if I can find any of them. Let's see here. Okay, so 1. Okay, so it looks like there's some around these vines, and here's this light green symbol in here, some more over here, some right in here and down the side. We've also got a little bit in right here, and in this, it looks like a lot of it's around the tenderling of the greenery. Some more over here and in here, and a couple more around the dragonfly. Yeah, so mostly around the green, a little bit more in her wings, some right here, and then up here. So actually a lot in here. So we're really happy with this one. I think it's gonna be great. We're looking forward to doing it. Thank you for watching us, and look for some work in progress videos of this one. Thank you.